26 August Bitcoin market update. Right. Let's just dive straight into the Bitcoin chart. Let's go look at the weekly chart first. Weekly time frame. Weekly time frame. Yeah, we are above the 10 and 20 EMA. All right, healthy for now on the weekly chart. And let's look at the daily chart. Daily chart. We are still above the 10 EMA and also the 20 EMA. Yesterday we closed on a green. Okay. All right. So now it's the start of the new day. And 4 hour we went back up to the 20 EMA line. All right, over here. Now just look at the 1 hour chart right now. 1 hour chart, as you can see, over here I've drawn the Fibonacci. I have this 0.65 level. Okay, if you can see on the daily time frame, we went back up to the 0.65, which is about 48,850. Okay, now we are above, right? So this is relatively healthy for me. Okay, so this line here is actually the 0.65. Okay, so we are here. So I do hope that we can hold this level right now. Okay, so let's look at my other chart over here. Okay, so currently we have this red line over here, and I think y'all remember about this red line. When Bitcoin came up here, I talked about this red line. All right, so now this red line is serving as a very strong resistance. Okay, we need to break this red line, and also we need to hold this 48,200. Okay, so on the upside, let's just talk about the upside first. Upside target, if we take this as the bottom, going up to the top, the 618 is at about 52,727. Okay, as you can see, I have another red line on top of here. So I do see if we do get up maybe today, tomorrow, or over the weekend, I do see the 1414 51985 as a target to see. All right, this range. Okay, unless there's a very big green candle that blasts straight through. Okay, which I don't think it will happen for now at this point of time. All right, so for the short term upside target is, again, we need to clear this 49,500 range, and then we can get back up. Okay, of course, when we clear on top here, I do see Bitcoin hovering like this first before the next leg up. Okay, they need to get support over here. Okay, on the downside target, downside target, yesterday I talked about the target of downside. I said we could see some support over here, and I'm looking at Bitcoin coming down to about 46 to 300 range, this range. And I was waiting for Bitcoin to actually come down here, then I'll get my entry field over here. But then, as you can see, Bitcoin is so strong that they didn't even come down and touch this yellow line over here. Okay, they went down, and then boom, they closed the hour over here, and then went straight back up again. Okay, so when we look at the let me just look at another chart which I've drawn. Okay, on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, for this, you can see a blue line over here. So this is the touch point. This is touch point also, and over here, as you can see, we went down. All right, around 4 p.m. yesterday, Singapore time, went down, touched the line, and then we went back up. Everything is going to plan in this chart itself. I was actually hoping that Bitcoin actually came down to at least touch the or even nearer to the 55 the 99 EMA, this red EMA line over here, but it didn't. So yeah, it went up. So now we are getting ourselves hit on the 1.272. Okay, which down here, which is the red color line which I have over here. Okay, so on the downside target, let's just move like this. Okay, downside target, there is a chance that we actually come down like this. Okay, and then we will be forming a double bottom. Okay, So the second bottom, it can come down to maybe this line, 48,200 range, or even a bit lower at about 47,900 before making the next leg up. Okay, so if this happen, then we take the measurement, we put up here. Yeah, we will get past the top over here. We'll break my orange line. They will get into my white line over here at the 1.272, which is about 51,500 range. Okay, so I'll just leave this line over here and the blue line here to see if it actually turn out the way I expected. Okay, so if in the event in the event if Bitcoin did came down, okay, in the next few hours, okay, do look at the 48,200, this range. Okay, if it manage to hold, then it will be very good. Likelihood it will go up. Okay, so if it lose this range, then yeah, we could see a lower bottom, maybe around here. Okay, yeah, this is the downside target for right now, because we didn't even break down from here. Okay, so the downside target for me at this point of time is double bottom. Okay, then next leg up. All right, so in the event if we do come down over here and we lose this, okay, if we lose this the yellow line, then I'll definitely see them coming down to this range. Okay, they might just come all the way down here. Okay, but of course this will not be a very nice double bottom for me already. Okay, so I'll try to expect it to come down at least to maybe here. All right. Right, so this is the downside target. Upside target again, yeah, we need to break this top first. Okay, then eventually I'll try to see them over here, 51,500 range. Okay, and just look at the RSI on the 1 hour. Yeah, we are quite healthy. We are going a bit down, but the yellow line is still here. The stock RSI is quite top. 4 hour. Yeah, the stock RSI is moving upwards. Okay, the RSI itself is around the yellow line here, so I do see some upward movement soon, right? On the day time frame, yeah, things are still looking alright for me. Okay, but then I think down here we have this line like this, so we definitely need to see the RSI move, come up to the line here, then eventually breaking it. So if we break it, then of course we will be going upwards. Okay, but I do see us moving around like this, testing it, then after that then breaking it. Okay, so it will take some time. So for the weekly RSI, yeah, we can see over here we are we shoot up. Okay, there's a bit of a curve right now. So again, we have not been testing this yellow line here. So in a much more medium term, we could see them coming down and then bounce up like this. Okay, so if this happens, that means that sometime maybe next week we could see some bigger correction from Bitcoin itself. Okay, so yeah, I think currently as you can see right now on we are getting some resistance over here. So we have one red candle over here right now. So yeah, in the event if we do came down, we will lose this 48,700 or 48,800 range. Then I do see them coming down, test this line again before coming up. Okay, all right, so yeah, I think that's about all for today. Nothing much. If you have bought your things, your coins, yeah, just take a coffee break and just look at the chart itself. But if they do come down here and they got a very good support over here, I do see a good buying opportunity over here, because some of the altcoins, let's just look at maybe XRP. Yeah, the retracement hasn't gone back up to where it was. Okay, it came down, still over here. So in the event if Bitcoin actually make the move downwards, then other coins like XRP, we could see another downwards movement. So it will be a relatively good entry for a short-term trade. Dogecoin also, all right, Dogecoin also not much movement up even when Bitcoin went up. But of course, when we look at the Bitcoin dominance here, we are having a lot of zigzag movement over here. So anytime when we broke my green line over here, the altcoins tend to pump a bit more. All right, so we will see how it goes. Okay, so yeah, just be very careful on your trade right now. If you're already in a trade, then just let it be. Okay, let it be. Try not to move into any impulse trade and not FOMO in, of course. All right, take care. Bye bye.